Welcome to this tutorial on creating favorites and using them in your routes in Zeo Route Planner. Start by going to Settings and selecting Favorites here. You can manually add an address or upload a list of stops. Click Upload Stop, then Browse File to select your stop list. You can download sample file to see what information Zeo expects. Next, proceed. Confirm the mapping of your columns and then submit. Once uploaded, all your favorites will appear in the list. You can check all addresses by scrolling down. If you want to use any of these favorites in a route, simply select the addresses. After selecting from the list, click Add to Map. Now, go to your dashboard. Once you are there, on the top left, there will be two options like Route and Stops. Go to the Stops option. In the Stops option, you'll see that the selected addresses have been added. There's another way to create routes. Go to the Create Route option from your dashboard and assign a driver directly from the drop-down menu. Now click Favorites. Just choose the favorite addresses you want to include in the route, and they'll be added instantly for that driver. If you don't want to use favorites, there's another option. On the same Create Route page, you can use the search address bar to type in addresses manually. You can even type in a customer's name if it's linked to an address in your records. Now click Save and Optimize. Zeo will generate the most efficient route for that driver automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created favorites and used them to build an optimized route in Zeo Route Planner.